mala madi den liang ko dan rada tagalong kata don kel kane achine ban kaya kalar matot mugana ide na ling lara malar mo galong ko kidon dial ya neto kon biliang ama neto kon ladin goro michi lara michi chiling di jom nyok karamula de mi la de sa Sudan ke SSPDF me la de kuma andi lara madi nyawa jakal lara ma alar mo galong ko kidin Kabalong o daga teliang kan runen to wan to kat de kuma ke SSPDF la de South Sudan laram alarm kam wane jaka ajan la de janana laram alarm cha kam ka goro de ka teliang nuga kida anu bijina de South Sudan o bi na ke je wet bigagang kio bijina my politician mbukula nang neka Ande South Sudan chaya kwain ko be which South Sudan be jagang ke benedial chiang ka South Sudan kandial ba agandian chiwo but dang la tuk dur ke ba let ka kwi ka dur ker Ande South Sudan chaya kwain ko jan ba kut kur ka ba gang kanedial kon la juwit ka South Sudan dial na mo jan lot de ka South Sudan ko bikana gang ke bikana kut ka juwit Bika wait bikana gang cheme te kol mun chiban wait mera dian manong bika wait ka South Sudan ho bika chongo kiwit bi dan lat kana ai bi lut ka kwidian ko chiga rutop chiga chongo kwinan dial ko bikana gang chi bi mo kan gang ro dian ka chikan lat ko bika yoko la kap ka kwide he bi lut ka medega kamrot lut ka ja wada nana jal ka ja Ami jai jai shirarom ka de kuma daraja kamlun mi di lang ko kan chigaro dian top ko piwit. Chika kuma chikana no. An ber South Sudan point a ber luska ki a ber me chinaw dian top ka ja ko bawo jam bayo ko lejak tamun ba. Ko kuja mogoro de ne South Sudan de kan ladien de kan angai a chiwo baka lada politician ne ke bika corruption a lot ka a kwar kuma Bikana wijala mugwa. Bikarodian jai ka corruption kan biga chong ala date magang na wait South Sudan kelo. Siyo biga chong katar kore kel ko bikana ko lagang. Hantama liu din tongwan liu ka kabot. Talayo to go do kab kan ga. Talatap talayo to baga ka. Kan kuli chuini kan lat kan ka. Siya kan lada de kan kalap. Kan jaw kan jan bikan jan alam nim. Kana mo siya lada dam de kana lat kapi ladan chawa kwainten. Kuya mogoro de ni South Sudan de ga chom. Kuya ladan dam kawa chaltan. De ka ber South Sudan de kana lot. De kan bi in cha kam ka mala bi kuma ke bi kore cha kam ka. Mala uniform de inu wana. De kana lot. Ka de kan lora de kana ngait. Kuya mogoro de yarudur aluka no biang ngaje ogian ka yan gang jiwit. Tiga yan may nukula nang neoken. Na mo ja lara go na de na lin jan cha lat ka pakoina bedang ni pakoina bro khorep ka ja jan ma go na de na tem yanam nta kwen ko bien wi gang chu bien da wi ka kwen ko bien na gang chu bien na tem ku ja mo lo da latan cha cambia gang na wi gang na je wi cha nang ga
To the SSPDF, be the army of the people, not the guns of politicians. To the brave sons and daughters in the SSPDF. You wear the uniform of South Sudan. Not for show. Not for salary. But for something sacred, the protection of the people who raised you. You didn't join this army to be a slave to politics. You didn't swear that oath to obey corrupt men who steal while you starve in the barracks. You didn't carry that rifle to shoot your own neighbor, your own tribe, your own people. You joined to defend a flag that was born from war and baptized in blood. You joined to protect a land that cries for peace. Listen to me. A true soldier is not the one who shouts orders. He's the one who knows when to say no to wrong orders. A true patriot is not the one who follows blindly, but the one who protects even when politics says attack. You are not a private army. You are the national army. SSPDF is not a tribal badge, it's a national shield. We trust you with guns, but we also trust you with wisdom. Never let a greedy man in a suit use your rifle to silence truth. Never let any leader tell you that the enemy is your fellow citizen. Your loyalty must rise above politics. Your strength must defend even the weak. You are not forgotten. Even when the government delays your salary. Even when your boots are worn out. Even when you guard corrupt officials who sleep in comfort. We see you. We honor you. But we beg you. Do not let that uniform become a symbol of fear to the people. Let it be a symbol of hope. Let it be the face of discipline, peace, and justice. One day, when the drums of war go silent, and they will, you will return home and your children will ask, "Daddy, what did you fight for?" Let your answer be, "I fought for the people. I fought for peace. I fought with honor. March with pride. Serve with conscience. Obey the Constitution, not the cowards hiding behind your strength." SSPDF, you are the protectors. Not puppets. Not prisoners. And definitel. To the SSPDF, be the people's army, not politicians' guns. You wear the uniform to protect the people, not to serve corrupt leaders. You swore to defend the nation, not to turn your rifle on your own citizens. SSPDF is not a tribal force. It is a national shield. Say no to wrong orders. Say yes to peace, justice, and the Constitution. Even when salaries delay and your hardships grow. Stand with honor. Serve with conscience. You are not puppets. You are protectors.